Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, we are going to take a quick look how you can connect Blogger website with like Bing Search Console, or you can say Bing Webmaster Tools. So let's just start the video. So first of all, we have to go to like Google and search for Bing Search Console. Then we have to click on this first URL. Then it will ask us to like choose among these options. So we are going to use this Google like to sign in or like sign up. After this, it will get it here, and it will ask us to add a site manually. And if you have already connected your Google Search Console with like your Blogger website or like your normal websites, so you can just click on this import button and it will automatically fetch your website data. And here we are going to use this one because most of them, if you don't have like Blogger website, so this one will work. So here we have to like put the URL. Now click on this add. Now it will give some XML file or like HTML meta tag. So we are going to use this one. Click on this copy. Now we have to go to like the Blogger website and click on this theme. After this, we have to click on this arrow option after the customize. After this, we have to click on this add in HTML. After here, we have to find the header tag, and here's the header tag. After this, we have to click on the enter and paste it here. Now we have to click on the save. Now it is updated successfully. Now we have to go back, and now we have to click on this verify. So it is verify successfully. Here you can see a pop-up like congratulations, and now we have to click on this done button. And now our website is successfully connected with Bing Webmaster, or like you can see on Microsoft Bing Webmaster. And now you can import all the URL and just index in the Bing search. Bing search. So that's all for this video, and I hope you learned something in this form video. And that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.